This is the brand new Vivo Y29, a budget smartphone that's trying to change the game. With a massive 6500 mAh battery, a smooth 120Hz display, and a sleek, durable design. The real question is this the best phone under $250 in 2025? Let's break it all down in detail. Inside the box, you get the Vivo Y29 itself, a 44 watts fast charger, USB-C cable, clear case, SIM ejector, and paperwork, everything you need to get started.
The Vivo Y29 features a premium matte finish, feels sturdy in the hand, and surprisingly, it's IP64 rated, meaning it's resistant to dust and splashes. Available in elegant colors like crystal purple and midnight blue, it looks far more expensive than its price tag.
Up front, you get a 6.68-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's bright, smooth, and great for scrolling, social media, or gaming. And yes, the side-mounted fingerprint sensor is fast and reliable. Under the hood is the Snapdragon 685 chipset with 6 or 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage. Daily tasks? Smooth. Light gaming? No problem. Multitasking? Thanks to extended RAM, it can handle multiple apps without lag. On the back, you get a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The daylight shots are detailed, colors are vibrant, and edge detection in portraits is surprisingly good for this price. The 8-megapixel selfie camera also performs well in good lighting. Now here's where it really shines. A massive 6500 mAh battery. That's 2-day battery life for most users. With the included 44 watts flash charge, you can go from 0 to 50% in just 35 minutes. The Y29 runs on Funtouch OS 15 based on Android 15. You get a clean UI, useful features like app cloning, screen recording, and dynamic RAM. It's bloatware light and smoother than expected for this segment. Pros: massive 6500 mAh battery, 120Hz smooth display, solid camera for daylight, clean software experience, splash resistance, IP64, fast charging. Cons: no AMOLED display, no ultra-wide lens, only mono speaker. So is the Vivo Y29 worth it? Absolutely. If you want a phone with long battery life, clean software, and a smooth 120Hz display, this is easily one of the best picks under its price. Sure, it skips a few premium features, but for everyday users, it nails the essentials. What do you think of the Vivo Y29? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching.